don't know why every beginner eyeliner tutorial starts with a liquid eyeliner. I don't get it. It's the hardest liner to master. Start off with something easy. Grab some dark eyeshadow and an angled brush like this. Eyes open, I'm gonna look straight ahead. It's gonna look weird, but I'm looking straight ahead into my mirror and I'm stamping on the eyeliner like so. Nothing else, just do this. I'm gonna make a big liner just so you guys can better see, but you can do any size. I want my eye shape to go like this and then into the liner. That's what's gonna look the most natural. Use my finger to blend and then I look down. Do you see this? This is what my hooded eyes do, and that's fine because I can just apply it like so, and then I have the perfect straight liner like this. If you want to do your inner corners with this trick, then you don't want to drag it out, you want to drag it in, so like this. So for hooded eyes, if you add something lighter on the waterline like so, right here, then they can really open up on the ends, and if you add something light here, then they open up in the middle, so you get this like wide eye effect basically.